Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a cute Barbie doll. So don't skip any step. Now grab your tools and let's get started. First at all, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for daily updates. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. I have grabbed these 6 colors from the box. I am using these oro colors. You can use any type of pencil colors which you have. Step 1. First at all, I am using HB pencil and draw the simple sketch lightly. I am drawing hairs at first. Using eraser. You can also find me on Facebook, link in the description. Also follow me on Instagram for more drawings, link is also in description. Watch complete video if you want best results. Now draw features of the face. Now create some hearts. Now first step is done. Moving on second step. In this step I am using eraser for removing the middle line. Now I am using black pointer and outline the whole drawing. Now using jelly roll pen for outline the lips from bottom line. Now again black pointer and cover the whole drawing. The second step is also completed. Moving on third step. In this step I am using these 6 colors and color the whole drawing. First at all I am taking this golden shade from the box and color the hairs in shading form. Now I am taking this dark pink shade and color the hairband. And also her dress. Now I am taking sky blue shade and color the jeans of baby doll. Now again taking dark pink and color her shoes. Now I am taking skin color and colored her legs. Also colored her face with same color. Also colored in hands. Now taking again pink shade and color the hearts. Now I am taking light pink shade and color the remaining hearts. Now third step is also completed, moving on fourth step. In this step, I am using white pencil color and merge the pink color. It's optional, you can skip this step, but if you do this, the results are more fine. Now fourth step is done, moving on fifth step, which is the last step of my drawing. I am using black pointer and again highlight or outline the black lines. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.